Now, making your own app for your business is one thing, but building it in 5 minutes, that's one of the claims to fame of Agmo Studio, a Malaysian company which has won multiple awards for its app-making platform, Easy App. Joining us now is Agmo Studio founder and director Tan Ike Kyung. So this is something which is quite miraculous almost, given the number of man hours and how much it costs, the tens of thousands to develop an app. So you've simplified that. What is the next step now for you, given you've already established yourself as a key player in this space?
Okay, so the next step for us will be we are looking to have more modules and also target more verticals. So now we already have a sister company in Beijing that we target with a celebrity industry. Then upcoming, we are already setting up a team in China, Shanghai, to focus on the travel vertical. Besides, we are also planning to expand into Singapore with a sales office ourselves as well.
So this means you're looking at marketing yourself to more clients, especially in the SME space. So what other strategies are you applying there?
Yeah, so actually how it works is that everything started with a service. From the service, we help people to do a customized app development. From there, we identify the potential scalable solutions with a good business revenue. Then from there, we will make this into a product. Then after that, we will use a software as a service model to offer this to others SME as well.
Ultimately, as you say, this is about scalability. You have grown your R&D team to 20 now. So how is that going to help that scalable aspect?
Yeah, actually we have 33 at the moment.
Ah, okay,
yeah,
great.
Okay, so hiring in Malaysia is indeed not easy. So how it works is that the product, we make sure it works well in Malaysia first. Then from there, we work on the localizations. This is how we expand into China. After that, we will also look into other regions.
Now, fragmentation is a bit of a problem for you when it comes to building out your business. So how are you addressing that?
Yeah, so for fragmentation is a big issue when it comes to mobile app developments. So because we have devices manufactured by different manufacturers, and it can be comes with different screen resolutions, and it can comes with different OS version as well. So in order to us to target different, ensure our apps to work well in this environment, we have to do a lot of testing. So how we tackle this is using automation testing. So we have tools to ensure the apps looks good in all different kind of devices.
Now, as we said earlier, Easy App is a little bit of a slam dunk for you. It was valued at $3 million when private investors funded this development. What type of app strategy are you looking to next? Is there a next iteration for Easy App?
The next one, we will target to have a more vertical. Now we already have a celebrity. The next one is a vertical travel. Then maybe we'll explore into other industry as well, such as hospitality, F&B industry, and also other industry, let's say the sport industry as well. So this is our expansion strategy. When
you say that you're focusing on verticals, do you mean that Easy App will have customization for each industry itself?
Exactly, yes. So for example, for celebrity, we are targeting more on the fans club building. So we have features like the group chatting. We have a rewarding system. So we encourage the fans to use the app together in order to get some rewards. With the rewards, they earn some points. Then the points, they can use that to redeem something related to the celebrity.
Now, Agmo Studio is fairly young. You've only been around for about 3.5 years thereabouts, and you broke even in a very early stage. You've drawn investors to you like MyEG. Would you be looking to another investment round?
Actually, not at the moment. I think in terms of the cash flow, we are very healthy. So what we are looking at is actually on the market expansion to make more revenues rather than raising more funds.
Do you see a lot of competition in this space?
Yes, definitely there is a lot of competitions, but how we position ourselves is on the, we are not only a content provider, we are making more on the gamification side. So we make people like to use our apps rather than just bowling contents.
Now, talking about gamification, just earlier we had a story about how King Vision was snapped up by a games maker. So looking at the valuations, that was $5.9 billion in terms of the acquisition value. What kind of aspirations do you have then for Agmo Studio?
For us, we don't focus on the game applications, but we actually try to gamify a process. Using the gamifications is improve the stickiness, so it attracts users to use the apps often. So this is our point of view on the gamifications.
What about revenue targets?
Revenue targets, last year we are around 2 million. Then this year we are targeting 3 million ringgit.
All right. Great. You're building a fantastic business, it would seem. Thank you so much for your time with us around the table. That was Tan Ike Kyung, founder and director at Agmo Studio.